we can add and subtract and multiply and divide polynomials. And really, you've seen this before, because in the past we've called addition and subtraction of polynomials combining like terms. So when I'm going to add and subtract polynomials, I'm going to look for terms that have the same degree. So 5x squared plus negative 3x squared, that's going to give me 2x squared. Negative 4x plus x is minus 3x. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So I can keep doing that. 2x squared, distributing my negative. 3x squared minus x minus 5. Multiplication, you know, or I can just distribute. So in this example A, I'm just going to distribute. Notice x to the first times x squared is x cubed plus 10x. Now I've got two terms to distribute, and then I'll collect like terms. So 2x squared plus 10x minus 3x squared plus x cubed. And now when I collect my like terms, I want to start my polynomial off with the greatest degree. So x cubed minus x squared plus 10x. If I'm finding each product and simplifying, I'm not going to factor again because I don't want to write it as a product. I want it to be fully expanded. This one we could FOIL. 4x squared plus 32x plus 3x is going to be plus 35x plus 24. And this one I could use my area model. So I'm going to write this term down the left as the length of one side. Across the top, I'll write the length of another side. And then I'll put in a rectangle. And now I'll think about the area values within my rectangle. Oops, not quite straight. All right. So 2n squared times n squared is 2n to the fourth. 10n cubed minus 2n squared minus 3n squared, negative 15n plus 3. And now my like terms are always going to be diagonally, oh, not always. If I had written this with a 0n term in the middle, I would have had a whole other row, and then my like terms would have ended up diagonally across from each other. In this case, though, they're not, so I need to look for my like terms. So I've got an n squared there, and that's it. So let me write out my final sum. So 2n to the fourth plus 10n cubed minus 5n squared minus 15n plus 3. All right, that's addition and multiplication and subtraction. In the next video, we're going to look at long division.